Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about data as a nonprofit. There are no rules here, except for have column headers right at the top, no blank lines, no blank columns. Start at the corner, work your way out. But the only thing that you need to remember is you can include any information that you need. Your column headers should make sense for your data. So if you're using full address, you can break the addresses out like this. If you are using just, let's say, city, state, zip code, then just have these three. Of course, you don't have to have this at all. You can include name, phone number, amount of donations, their donor type, just as some ideas, website, emails, dates, even interests or attributes, which are separated by semicolon and can be filtered using the attribute filter in our filter tool. So you can break these out into individual groups within the program, but still keep this column very simple and separate the ideas by semicolon. This could be any amount of information that you all gather that's useful for you. Understand it doesn't have to be an interest or a date or an email or website. It's what you have for within the program. When you've got this set up, you can then create that new map. You can add the file, paste the data, start blank, Google Sheets. You can also drag and drop the file. I'm going to go ahead and add the file. Once you've got your map set, then you can start getting into those tools and working the program. So each column that you included is going to give you that opportunity to be able to filter and group and use those tools as you need. That's everything for a nonprofit, just to give you some ideas on what you can do. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.